So as she dey cry, I dey cry with her.
To drink with Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just dey get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you can know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So this is the part 2 of our story, The Secret Inside That Book. After the doctor check, he come discover say she gets cancer of the breast. So the doctor come tell am say this one e no fit give you any receipt or any paper because not be normal way you take come. Wetin you go do? Follow the normal way, go meet your doctor will give you the receipt, then you go take appointments, then you go do your checkup, then from there you start up with something. So my mom come dey cry. As she dey cry, I dey cry with her. All the family dey shed tears with her because na the only mom wey I know, wey I get. Then she come start her therapy. She come dey do the therapy, dey support with prayers, call my grandparents, tell them about the situation. They say that they pray and all that, but it can't be like say the thing dey worst. It dey worst from worst to worst, from worst to worst. Now there they come tell am say there's no way wey be say this thing, they say na the bad one na be this one. They don't get any other choice now to cut off the two because it affect the two. That if they not cut the two, it go affect the body. Now so they take cut the two. Come out. But nobody know. If she dey go out, she dey wear bra, it go put things inside. The only when they are sometimes, especially summertime, she go leave her body like that, her chest go be like my own. But my stepfather, he not dey happy again. He can't be like say the joy wey dey the family, he comot. Every night, I go dey always dey hear one word, no sentiniente, no sentiniente, which means I no dey feel anything. I no dey feel anything. Therefore, daytime, I go dey hear when my mama friend Paola, he go dey say, deve divertire, deve farate gioia, which means you need to be happy for yourself. Nobody go fit give you joy. Now you go give yourself joy. Now these two words I dey always dey hear for night and afternoon. Then the joy not dey again. So my stepfather, he can't change totally. My stepfather, when you know the waka kpurukere before, he begin the waka kpurukere. He dey enter house late night. Sometimes he go come, he go don't drink. My mama go dey one place, they cry. So one day, because of the depression, the way the situation be for house, no happiness, everything na paka poko paka, any little thing shout, any little thing quarrel, joy, it vanish comot for the house. Wetin dey inside this book wey my mama leave for ground, na I dey talk so, because she write everything wey happen for inside this book, both the one I know and the one she writes, that they narrate for here. So according to wetin she come write for inside this book, she say one day she come dey frustrated for house. She no know wetin she want to. And e don dey reach time to take carry my brother for school because my brother don start high school, which is he just enter media. Just dey the first year of media, which is secondary school. So e far from our house, not be waiting he go fit come house by himself. My mom need to go carry him because my stepdad don't go work. My mom say as see they go carry my brother, e come reach traffic light. The traffic light come be red. She can't wait. She just did the front line. She can't wait maybe green so that she'll feel pass. As she dey wait maybe green, she begin dey think about her life. The time when e can't turn green, the time the traffic light can't turn green, she not know again. She still dey there. They think about her life. She not pass. All that cars wey dey her back, not that the cars too much because na outskirts of town, so not be just busy road like that, but few cars dey her back. They come dey blow on. Pee. She no even hear say that they blow on. She no even see the light say e don be green. She still stand dey think. So those one wey dey back, when they no fit bear am, they come maneuver pass am. As dem dey pass am, some even dey curse am sef. Dem waka pass, as e dey be now. And so dem waka pass. She dey inside car. Then one black man just say make him waka pass. E be like say e come discover say na black woman na im dey inside that car. Then e come go park for front. E come down for im own car. E come waka come meet my mom. E come say, wetin? This light already green since everybody don dey blow on, you no hear? E come dey try to give my mom attention so that e go fit see am, because e don see say her eye don dey up. E dey look one place for up. So she come back. Then come dey ask the man, say wetin? That the man come dey tell am say this thing don show green since. Are you a Nigeria? Are you an African woman from Nigeria? Because the way you see am, then she come park. She just begin dey cry. She no fit talk anything. Na cry. Then the man come tell am say, okay, make e follow am. Make e drive follow am. Say e house dey nearby for that this thing. Make dem no just dey road dey talk. Make e come e house, because this black man, e dey live for one small house wey dey near bush. Being as say na outskirts of town, so farm full the area, and the house na one be like form of abandoned house. So e dey close to the farm there. So e come say make e follow am. And so my mom take drive follow this man. As they enter, I come carry her enter house. E come say she go drink cafe. I come tell am say e no get cafe. He go do tea for am. She can't. He say he can't give her tea. The black man can't give her tea. She can't drink. Then she can't begin to cry. She just open up, narrate her life to this black man. So this black man can't feel for am. He can't say, now wait till you dey pass through be this. He say yes. He say, why your husband not go understand your situation now? He said, that is it. He no dey understand. He no dey touch am. He no dey do nothing. He not even happy for house, even for the other side. No way. They say no, they feel anything. And meanwhile, my mama supposed to carry my brother from school that moment. So my brother wait. Everybody don't come out. He not see my mom. Thank God, he can't see neighbor wey give her lift. As he reach house, then he can say he no see mama. Then they can say okay, make they call. So e be like say when they come call, the phone can ring for where my mama dey. Then he can say, he supposed to carry pikin for school. So now so he can't leave the man. So he said the black man can't tell am say, anytime when e be say you need help, come back here. I dey here for you. Or if you know you feel like talking to somebody, come back here. I dey here for you. The woman can say, my mom can't tell her, okay. And so my mom take come out. He can't come house. Then when my stepdad come from work, my brother can't tell my stepdad, say, my mom no quick come carry am for school. And these days, my mom dey always dey late to carry am for school. Then we can see cause another quarrel again. So now so the quarrel can continue. Then my mother can begin dey happy again. So anytime when e just be say she just dey lonely, she go just still run go to that black man house when e dey the almost the same area with us. E go drive go there, e go still come out. So she just dey happy. But my stepdad come dey imagine say why my mom go dey happy like this. So my mom no dey ask my stepdad where you go, why you no quick come, why you drink, why you do this. E no dey ask her anything, but e still dey do her duty as a housewife. But she come dey happy. So my stepdad come dey imagine say wetin go make her dey happy, and the way they take dey fight for night, e no dey hear fight for night again. Then my stepdad come begin dey suspect my mom. So one day my stepdad comot in the morning like say e dey go work. That day me dey house, I no go anywhere, because me too I don see dey grow dey come small small. My stepdad come say e dey go work, e come go work. My mom come ready as usual, e come comot for house. My stepdad come quick, e no call my mom. E come wait till my mom come back. E come ask my mom, where you go? My mom say e go Jiro, e go out with Paula. Then my dad call Paula. Paula no give my stepdad the answer wey he want. So my stepdad come dey suspect my mom. Then one day e come say e dey go work, not knowing that e no just go work at all. E come go stay for one place dey look road. E no tey my mom comot. As my mom dey go, e begin dey drive follow my mom. E come drive follow am o. E come see say na one small house, one old house na e enter. As e just enter the house, na so my stepdad, I see say e rush come back. I say, you no go work? E enter inside a room, e be like say e take something, e comot again. Then wetin me see, my mom come back with my stepdad. Dem dey quarrel. My mom come dey tell my stepdad say he wan go report am to police. Why he go use gun dey threa ten somebody? Why he go bring gun come out dey threa ten somebody? He wan report am to police. My stepdad come say make he no report am. He come dey beg am. He come dey beg my mom. My mom come dey cry, come dey tell my stepdad say, you no dey give me joy. Na wetin dey give me joy? Because of the situation wey I dey, and you know quite alright say no be so you take know me. As you see me like this, you suppose to accept me. If you dey my position, I will not treat you the way you are treating me now. I will accept you, because no be so I take know you. Na the situation of this life, now wetin life bring come for you, I will accept you. I will not treat you like this. Why are you treating me like this? Why you go threa ten that black guy with gun? They come quarrel. My mom dey talk, e dey cry. E dey cry. They tell her say, you abandon me, you no dey touch, you no dey enjoy nothing. I go meet you, you go say no. After you don go outside, you go enjoy yourself finish, then you will abandon me for here. But I don't get somebody when they give me joy. You go leave me alone, you go leave her alone, because now wetin you reject, now he accepts. So when he throw all these words to my stepdad come weak like he dodo wey sokoye. He come begin dey beg my mom. My mom come tell am say it's too late. That black guy give am joy, give am happiness. It's too late. So my mom come say no go report am to police. So that evening, peace come still dey. But it can't be say the next day, wetin my mom write for book. He can't call this guy. He call, the line dey bounce. He call, the line dey bounce. He can't got to go back to that house. He see say nobody dey there again. He don't lock everywhere. He don't cower. Where oyibo for carry gun come dey threa ten you. Fear go let you still sleep that house. That moment, then the guy take leave that house. He not come back again. e no on that phone again. My mom come dey worried. He call, no way. He come dey cry. He say he no even tell him goodbye before he go. He come dey cry, and the thing come touch her well. He come say na because of my stepdad na he cause all this thing. So it can't be like say fry pan to fire again. My mom can't go back to her sad moments when be say she know they get joy, she know they get happiness again. Not be say my stepfather still change for good though. No, it still remain the same. But my mom no fit dey comot again because who they go meet? The person not there again. The person don't run. He don't cower. My mom come tire. You can't go back to depression again. This time around, my mom can't go bar to bar. She can't turn to Odayodiku. She can't they drink, bar to bar, they drink. She know they even fit come bath or they do anything again. Later, she begin dey sick because the drink come too much for her body. She mostly they drink on empty stomach. I go try to dey show my mom love, but my mom no dey look my direction again. She just come dey depressed. Before you know it dey happen, she begin dey sick. Come dey sick seriously. Though that time when my stepfather thought say she dey cheat on her, I quarrel with my mom. I said, why will you cheat on your husband? Why will you do this? And you are not a good mother. You are this, you are that. You are a disgrace. Because people can't know. You know, my stepfather now man will be say, he dey talk. He tell all our neighbors. So our neighbors, these white people, now they gossip pass. All of them begin they do nose, even to us will be the children. We can't even dey shame for our mom say they cheat on our dad. So because of that disgrace, we not even consider happy with my mom. So that can make our situation come worst. We can't dey vex say she disgrace us. We know they feel come outside. Even for school self, there was a time when they say they even laugh my brother for school. If friend use and laugh am for school, say see wetin your mama dey do. So because of that one, me and my brother were not happy with my mom. So now I made our own situation come worst. On the other hand, the children when she they look up to, we fail. Husband, fail, everything, Jakarta. So that make the depression increase for her. So as she come dey sick, e not say, and so she take die. They bury her, they do everything. Me now, being as me don't grow, I don't get guy after she die. So I'm not going to stay the house again. Most of the time, I dey go stay for my boyfriend's place. So I just can't leave the house for my stepdad and my brother. I can't just stay with my boyfriend. Then I can't find work. I can't dey work. One day, when I go my mama room, I search for her things. Now to see this book. This book. Now to know the truth of wetin my mama dey pass through ever since for her life. Now to know the way my stepdad take treat my mom. Oyibo dey call this book diary, the form of diary. Now then my mom write every single thing. How everything take start. How she take bring me come this Europe. How she take come across this breast cancer. How she take come across that black man. How she take sick. Now when she dey sick, then she write reach. Even when she dey sick, when she still manage write everything with the dates. He write everything for you. When she come dey sick, wetin she come dey write e no correct again. But I try to understand wetin she dey write. And wetin come pay me pass for inside, she address a letter to me for inside here that I'm a woman, that one day I will understand her pains. Now make me bring this story come here. That I am not a woman, I'm a mother of 2 now. I now understand what my mother was going through. As I open this book, the thing touched me. I wish I can turn back the ends of the clock to show my mom more love, to accept her for what she did, to tell her I love her because she just go like that. A woman that loved me so much, that showered me with love, despite that she did not train me, but she was still there for me. I love my mom so much. That's when I found this book. I brought this story to Lady T because I know people will listen to this story, and I know people will learn from this story. That if you know you have a wife, a husband, a relative, a friend that you know has a similar problem because of a health issue, please don't take anybody health issue for granted. Don't take anybody health issue for granted. If you marry your husband and you see say things can't change, it can't be say you can't get health issue, stay with am, show am love. He need you most, because if you abandon now, you will ever live with that guilty conscience in your life. I wish I can turn back the ends of the clock. Or you marry a wife and you see say your wife get the same situation. Please stay with her, stay with your husband, stay with your wife. Don't ever abandon them, because if they are gone, that guilty conscience will always be there. Love the way you love from the beginning. Show love to people. Don't ever abandon them. Make them to understand that you love them more until the end. Then you yourself, then your heart will be filled with joy. Supposing I show my mom this kind of love, as she don't go so, I don't think say I for even bring this story come here, or I for even get guilty conscience in my heart. So my lovely people, I beg you, if you marry, please, anything can happen in future. We don't know what the future have for us. Make person not a laugh blind person, because you never cross life finish. Don't go to laugh somebody, because sometimes when you clock 14, you see different things. Some people, you see different issue, different health issue will be coming to them. What if they never think about? Then they take therapy for it. So now my message be this for today, and I pray that somebody out there is in the same situation that is close to you. Please, if you watch this video, share it and use it to show love to other people. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. God bless you. Please, if you have not subscribed, use this opportunity to hit that red button and click the notification bell so you can know anytime we put video for you. And also click on that like finger. That finger, you take click like, up ever for you, backward never. And again, I beg you to please share this video, because it will save his soul. We are not here to say a story. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will save life. Please support this channel. The only way you can support this channel is by sharing this video to all your social network. And as you do that, God will bless you. And as you support this channel, Almighty God will support you in everything that you are doing. I remain your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl, True Dreams with Lady T. Bye.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.